Yeah, yeah. Hey, tell them when they step, better step right. Step up in my kitchen with them chef dice. Cooking, I come out with my left, right. I got season and I do it just right. When I'm stepping in, they think I'm blessing the kitchen. I got my grandma in my apron, I'm the chef in the kitchen. I think they really should be happy cause I'm blessing the kitchen. Just roll a dice and with you, I send it to chef in the kitchen. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Hey. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you right. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you right. Like, share, subscribe.
Alright, so what's going on with the bro Alex? Your boy fixing to make you something, put you something together because I heard you was sick. So my sister-in-law Jeanette, so I go put it on the video. So we have the white onion first. So we'll get this white onion, a nice little star. And then go ahead and soften up a little bit. Open it up for that good flavor. Yeah, it's a video. You know, the sponsor for this video is my boy Alex. He ain't feeling good. And turn it up some. Alright, so we have some chicken. So we'll go ahead and throw that chicken in there. Make him a nice little soup. You know what I mean? Cook him up something real quick. Hopefully he get better soon. Get better soon, bro. I'm gonna wash my hands real quick. Alright. Hands is nice and clean. So you just want to open it up. So now we'll go ahead and give it a nice seasoning. Alright, first seasoning I'm gonna put in there is some of this Dad seasoning. No salt. And then we'll go hit it with some organic seasoning, no salt. Season to your taste. Then we'll hit it with some onion powder. I know it looks like a lot of seasoning, but it's gonna be a nice little soup. Boom. Mix it in. Just want to loosen it up. Everything will come together like it's supposed to. So I started off with that extra virgin olive oil. We'll go hit it with a little more extra virgin olive oil. Alright. Mix it in. Now we'll go ahead and throw our carrots in there. My sis said that he want everything kind of like whole, so that's what I'm gonna give you, bro. So this right here is 2 videos in one day. So your boy is grinding. I said, why not make this a video? You know what I mean? So my boy, you know, he's sitting back at the house sick. He ain't going to work. My boy Alex, so he can sit back and watch this video. So I'm gonna make this a nice little long video for him. Alex, make sure you share this channel, brother. You know what I mean? Share it with family and friends, because we all love to eat some good food. You hear me? Alright, now we're gonna hit it with a little bit of mint real steak seasoning. Not much, just a little something. Alright. We have our potatoes right here. You know what I mean? I cut them nice size, these potatoes. Nice size. So we'll go ahead and throw these potatoes in there. Your boy clean cook, so you don't have to worry about it. My hands is clean, pimp. One drop. We don't need that. Alright. Boom. So we have our potatoes in there. I got them all in there. I wish my sis would have gave me a bigger pot to cook in. So now what I'm gonna do, we also had the noodles, but we ain't gonna put the noodles in there just yet. We got the egg noodles, you know what I mean? We ain't gonna put them in there just yet. We gonna let them boil and something else, let them get nice and right. But for right now, we fix to go ahead and let this cook on low for about an hour or so. You hear me? So we're gonna hit it with some bone broth, you know what I mean? You know. Boom. And another thing, when you sick and you're not feeling too good, it's always good to eat with some garlic. I don't have the garlic clove, but I have some mint garlic. So we're gonna add this in there at the last minute, because you know it don't take nothing for your garlic to cook, you know what I mean? Not at all, just a little bit of heat, a little boil, and the garlic is nice and right, you hear me? So this gonna be last right here. I'm gonna put this in last right here. And the noodles, they gonna go in last. And Sister B to give you this good food that I cook. And make sure you watch the video, like the video, and you share the video. You know what I mean? Because this video is sponsored by you, bro. It's all about you. You hear me? So we're finna go ahead and let this cook for about, I say, 45 minutes to an hour, and then we'll get to the next. Alright, so here we go right here, Alex. Your boy done did his thizzle in this good kitchen. I made you some good soup. Hopefully you like it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put our little mint garlic in there. I'm gonna put 1, 2. Mix it with the noodles. Just like that there. Now you have a lot of soup. So here your soup right here. You know what I mean? Mix it with the noodles. Your chicken, your potatoes, your carrots, your onion. If you want to add more seasoning to it, it's to your taste. Season it to your taste. So you have a whole lot of soup right here. And this video is sponsored by Alex. Look at that right there, you know what I mean? Look at the potatoes. You know, look at this good food. You can't beat that with a baseball bat. Look at the meat right there, you know what I mean? Everything is done. The meat, nice and tender. Potatoes are soft. Your boy did a stizzle right here in this good kitchen. It's that good love in my kitchen, pimp. Make sure you like, comment, and share this video with family and friends. Cause you know I cook it all, you know what I mean? I cook, you know, winter dinner, romantic dinner, you know what I mean, solo dinner, sit back and lounge dinner, you know what I mean? I do it all. I also cook breakfast, you hear me? Boom. So there you go right there, bro. It's a nice soup for you. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this video. Other than that, I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget, hit that bell, all notifications, like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit dice. You know what I mean? Hit dice.